Here's your explanation for the digital book literature analysis notes assignment. So for this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to have to select a piece of literature that connects with the big topic that you are researching for this digital book project. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because, well, it's a literature class, and one of our essential questions that we've been talking about all year is how is literature influenced by the time in which it was written? So when you consider what you just learned about last week in terms of your big topic and what you researched, now you're really going to take it one step further and read this literary piece, and you're going to eventually connect it to that big topic. So what you're going to do is you're going to refer to this document right here, and you're going to select which story you want to read. And there's a lot of stories that you can pick from here for each one of your topics. So you'll just go to the topic that you're discussing, and then you'll select which short story you want to read. So let's say you're researching early 20th century class struggles. You'll just pick one of these, either Jeeves Takes Charge, The Doll's House, The Garden Party, The New Dress, or Vengeful Creditor, and you'll read that story, and then you'll put the title of the story you decided to analyze and the author of that story, and then tell as much as you can about the setting of this literary piece, the time, the place, relative specific conditions. Everything you connect here is really going to be helpful when you start writing your paragraphs for your paper. So the more details, the better here, because it's going to help you out. These are notes that you're taking. Then answer this question: how does this setting connect to the big topic and what you learned about in your research? Be as specific and detailed as you can be here. Okay, again, the more you collect now, the easier life's going to be next week when you start developing these paragraphs. Then tell as much as you can about the main character's background and situation. How does this character connect to the big topic and what you learned about in your research? Again, be as detailed and specific as you can be here. And then consider the main conflict this character is facing. How does this specific conflict connect to the big topic? Okay, so you're gonna have to do a lot of thinking here. My suggestion, since I'm giving you 2 days to do this, is to read your story the first day and then start writing some basic notes, and then use Friday to really write those detailed notes and then submit it. Finally, capture the theme of this literary piece, and you can just fill in the blank here. I'm not asking you, I'm just asking you to fill in the blank because that theme is really going to help you out. And then, how does this theme relate to your big topic? Be as specific and detailed as you can. All right. So you just need to complete one of these sentences here and delete the rest. And make sure it's grammatically correct. Yes, it's fill in the blank, but still you're supposed to be writing a grammatically correct sentence. And finally, connect that theme to your big topic. And that is what you'll do for this assignment. And then next week, you'll be writing some paragraphs about this. All right, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.